Protect your nest egg, grow your investments, and live comfortably. Is it too much to expect in retirement? Well, no, but it sounds like a lot. Look it up, Google it. I'm sure you have if you're getting close to retirement. You're gonna see a lot of information. So how do you do this? Let's go back to that nest egg conversation. The nest egg, the money you've worked so hard to save. So how do you kind of protect that as you go through retirement? You'll see some things about trying to live off the interest in retirement. You'll see some things about a certain rate of return, or a certain amount you should take out. 4% rule. Take out 4% of those investments. Will those work? Will those get you through retirement? You're kind of left with questions after you search, but there is a lot of information out there. And we empathize with that. We empathize with when you look it up, you're just not sure what's right. What works for one person might not work for the other. Also, there's a lot of information when you Google things. Okay, so then you go meet with a professional. You meet with a financial advisor. I found out today that you can get some mixed messages even from the professionals who sit down with you and look at your plan and your numbers. So Sean just met with a couple, and I don't want to give away all the details because this is really eye-opening, but here's what I'm going to tell you. There is a $10 million difference between what one financial advisor told this couple and what our retirement planners told them. That's right, a $10 million difference. How does it happen? And more importantly, how does it not happen to you? Because the couple that we met with, they heard the first set of numbers and they had the intuition to question the numbers. That doesn't make them any smarter than anybody else. It just means that something happened where they were like, we've got some questions. But what if you got a number from your financial advisor, you heard it and you didn't have any reason to question it? You thought it sounded good, it looked good. They're telling you it's a comprehensive plan. They're telling you you've got plenty of money. At age 100, you'll have $500,000, you'll be comfortable. You don't have any reason to question professionals a lot of time. I know when my doctor gives me a diagnosis, I don't have a lot of reason to question them. I didn't go to medical school. I'm hoping that they're right. Well, today's episode showed me it's okay to question. And here are some of the questions that you should ask. So you're given what's called a plan by your advisor or the person you're meeting with, and it looks good on paper. Ask them a couple of questions about what they specialize in. Ask them what their typical client looks like. Ask them what the plan is for Social Security, Medicare, taxes. There's a lot more than just the investments, and a lot of people just focus on investments, and that's great. But also, what rate of return are they asking? That's a big part of today's What rate of return? Are they using 12%? Well, guess what Lauren taught us today? The S&P over the last 20 or so years, it's averaged around 7%. So if a financial advisor is showing you a 12% rate of return, how much risk are you taking? Is it too much for your portfolio? These are the questions that it's okay if you're not armed with. You're watching right now because you want more knowledge about retirement. And I'm telling you, it's about so much more than investments. And you don't want this $10 million mistake to happen to you. So I've got some takeaways. Ask those questions to the person you're working with. If you're happy with the answers, great. You're probably on the right track. If you're not happy with the answers, or you want even more, you want to arm yourself with even more information, watch our online Journey to Retirement workshop. And here's why. You'll know what all goes into retirement. You're going to learn about how electing Social Security, depending on what election you make, can be an $80,000 difference. $80,000 difference, this couple that we use, this hypothetical couple, from one decision to another. You're going to learn about how much money you can save if you do some long-term tax planning. You're going to learn about a comprehensive retirement plan. And I think that going to the online Journey Retirement workshop can really help you not make those mistakes, because you only want to retire once and you want to do it maximizing that nest egg you work so hard to save. Our online Journey to Retirement workshop can be found at retirewithmerkle.com. Go there now, choose a time and a date that works for you, and get ready to learn about a comprehensive retirement plan so you're armed with the right information. You can ask the right questions to the person who's helping you protect your nest egg.